Welcome in next session of this. And in this session, we are going to talk about again control structure, but it is different. And its name is select case control structure. Actually, select case it is an alternative to if else if ladder. In if else if ladder what happens, the execution it was done in serial manner. Whereas when you talk about the select case, the execution and the testing it was in parallel manner. So it is here that it is more reliable. Select case is more reliable and faster than if ELSEIF. Now let's go for the syntax. Syntax is select case. First we have to write then the variable or the expression we want to test. We have to put it here, this one, and define its case values like the first case value here. If this is true, then this goes for execution. Else, if this is true, this goes for execution. If none of them is true, then it goes for the execution. At last, we have to put the insert. One good example is here. So input an enter day number, and we have to put this variable here with the select case. Now, if this value is true, it goes for this one. If true, this goes for this one, and so on. At last, we have to put the case else means our conditions they are is that false. So this is goes for this goes for the execution. At last, we have to put the in select. Similarly, we can also use the is and to. If we have some values in range to test, then we can use the to, like here 0 to 39. Like if it is only one value, we can also use the case is. Okay, and if there is single value, then simply we can put case and the value that was there. So this was about the select case. Let's see an example. Two examples of select case. Okay, here is the interpreter. going to run it. Just 5 here. So Thursday, yes. So this is called select case. Now let's use another program in which we'll use there that in range. Okay. Just going to copy same program here. And here we are going to use range. Like suppose if that is we put enter percentage. Okay. Here p. Now p comes here. Just give one range here. That is 92. If that is 9200, what we have to display the a plus script. Yes. Similarly, we have to go for next, and that is suppose 80 to 90. So 80 to 90. So what it says that is a grade. Next is here 72. 90 it goes here. It means it is 79. So 89, yes. It is not 90. 89. Yes. Next is here 70 to 79. So it is a B plus. Next is here 60, 62, 69. It is B grade. Next we have here 50 to 59. It gives us B plus B. Then it is C plus. C plus grade. Next we have here 40, 42, 49. It gives us C grade. C grade. Next we have here 30 to 39. Yes, if there is 39, so simply we can say that D grade. Else we can say NG. So that's all. In this way we can use the select case if that is a range. If there is we want to use the operator like relation operator greater than equals to, that also can be done. Simply we have to write the case then greater than equals to 90 and so on. It is supported by the QBASIC. I'm going to run it. Okay. So suppose the percentage here 75. Enter. So that is B plus grade. 75 is B plus grade. It comes in. Yes and no? Okay. I hope you also want this one. If any question, just let me know using the comment box. In next video, we'll be talking about some more. That is the loop iteration and their related programs. Okay. Thank you.